Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when and where you're viewing this. My name is Mike. I am the Crypto Liberal. So just a quick video this morning to give you an update of where I see things after yesterday's big dump, right? It was a bad day yesterday on the markets, but hey, I think things are looking up, especially for our most bullish chart in crypto and our second most bullish chart in crypto. They're both up versus Bitcoin. If you want to stack sats, our most bullish chart in crypto is up like 20% versus Bitcoin in 2 weeks. Our second most bullish chart is up like 5% in 2 days. So those are doing good, right? Um, and and so here's where I think we are. So let's start with Bitcoin. All right, I was wrong about this support line. It didn't hold, right? It broke below it 2 days ago. If you can see right here, it wicked up to it, you know, on Sunday, or after Sunday, Monday, I guess, and wicked up to my support line and then just got rejected, and here we are, right? So we're down at $22,000. We made it all the way down to, I think, 20,800, 20,900, something like that. So I'm I'm not gonna be too excited about anything in Bitcoin until we get back above my support line here. And you know, the last time we got rejected or went below that support line, like well over a year ago, right? We get look at this. I mean, we were down there for about 2-3 months. So we went below it, you know, back here in May of last year, and we didn't get back above it until August. So you know that's like 3 months. So I mean that is a possibility that we don't get back above it for like 3 months, which would not be good. You know, we haven't gone as far below this support line as we did back last year. So maybe it won't take us 3 months to get back up. Maybe it'll only take us a month. But we'll see. We'll have to see. But I'm not going to get excited about Bitcoin until we get back above that support line. You know, my big fear here, and I said this on the channel, was getting down to these levels where we're at is what everybody was expecting. So it rarely plays out like that. It's not impossible, but you know, my concern is that it's going to dump further. It's going to go down to 15,000, 14,000, just to punish those people who are expecting to get in at 20, 21, 22,000 and have it, you know, go back to all-time highs eventually. It usually doesn't work like that. I'm not saying it can't, but well, we'll see. So that's kind of my plan for Bitcoin. Is I'm almost completely out of Bitcoin at this point, and have my funds in ADA and Ethereum. I still have a little bit of Bitcoin left, but you know, mostly I'm in ADA. And how's that working out, right? So, you know, every 5 weeks, or I'm sorry, every week, you know, and we've done it for 6 weeks now. Yesterday was our 6th week. We put new money into ADA, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. And my contention has always been for 6 weeks that I've been doing this channel, that new money put in right now in ADA will outperform any new money put in Ethereum and Bitcoin by the end of the year, a year from now, and 5 years from now. And any new money put into ADA and Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin in those same time frames. Well, how's it working, right? We've done it for 6 weeks, $100 each week. They're all down. They're all down. But look at how much ADA is outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum's starting to catch up over the past couple days, ever since we identified the second most bullish chart in crypto, right? So, but ADA's already like killing Bitcoin and Ethereum, just like I said, right? And you know, it was a couple days ago I went all in on on ADA. So here, let's look at the ADA chart. So ADA versus Bitcoin, right? And I look at the Coinbase chart, and we do the weekly. So look at this. Look at how beautiful this is. I told you, you know, down here before we ever broke the resistance line at about 0.000019 Bitcoin, that this was the most bullish chart in crypto. And look at this. You know, now we're up to 2237. And you know, it's almost like 20%. 20% up in 2 weeks since I told you, against Bitcoin. If you want to stack sats, there's no better place to stack sats. So if you appreciate that, if you appreciate me bringing these to you, give me a like, give me a subscribe, give me a comment, and you know, that's greatly outperforming Bitcoin. So the most bullish chart in crypto, right? As soon as Bitcoin starts breaking up, which it will, ADA is going to go gangbusters. And I'm anticipating, I'm not really going to sell a majority of that until it gets to 0.00006 Bitcoin. And that means that would be a 3x. If you want to stack sats, there's no better time to get in right now. You missed a little bit of return so far since I brought it to the channel, but I'm anticipating a lot more to come on that ADA chart. The second one that I'm following, right, is the ETH chart. And I brought this to the channel the other day, how bullish this one looks. So again, we're doing the ETH BTC chart, ETH BTC, and we again doing Coinbase weekly. And this support line, right, has been holding for like a year practically. And I told you right down here, right when we hit that support line at 0.052 Bitcoin, that was the time to get in. Well, right now we're at 0.054 Bitcoin. So already in 2 days, we're already up against Bitcoin. I'm calling that the second most bullish chart in crypto, right? So if you appreciate me bringing these to you, and I'm going to start looking at some other ones as well. I'm not a big investor in anything really besides those three, but I'm thinking of dabbling in maybe a few others if I find something. So if you appreciate that, give me a like, give me a subscribe, give me a follow. And I'll keep trying to identify these types of charts for you. And as these move up, we'll start talking about taking profits and putting it back into Bitcoin, because that's always been my theory, right? You buy dollar cost average in at these levels in ADA and Ethereum, and then as we reach new all-time highs, if you're putting new money to work, you might not want to do that when you're at all-time highs, but then you go into Bitcoin. So you start transferring your returns in ADA and Ethereum into Bitcoin if you're not just taking profits straight into USD, right? So that's it. That's all I have for this morning. I probably will have another video later today. I hope you're having a great day. Hope you're getting outside and enjoying the beautiful weather, if it's beautiful where you're at. I love you all. Thanks for joining. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, give me a comment, tell me your journey, and don't butt out of the market right now, because this is the best time to get in. I love you all. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll talk to you later today. My name is Mike. I am the Crypto Liberal. Have a good one.